Joke some people waiting say this Priscilla and Juma-Jux wedding don't end though, as today na her white wedding. The venue is all set. Stay glued on my page as I will be bringing nothing but premium gist. I see they hurt tone and I see they do. I'm no dull moments for my page. See you guys in a bit for the full gist. Hello.
Happy 2025!
Happy 2025!
Make some noise! Prissy, what do you want to be snatched? Snatch me more.
Smash me more. Oh my days.
Okay. Hold on.
This is my love, because you love me. You love me. This is my love. This is my love, because you love me. You love me.
Is enough! It's not Tanzanian kiss. Amen. I don't know what to imagine.
If you have watched to this very moment, thank you so much for engaging. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. I appreciate you all. If you are new to my channel, if this is your first time subscribing, thank you so much. My name is Cindy Gist TV. I'm your army bowhead girl. I did bring this like tomorrow no day. Hello. So please do well to like, comment, share my videos. It give me one kind of encouragement to continue, and don't forget to turn on that post notification so whenever I drop story like this, you'll be the first to be notified. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe out there. See your one and only army bowhead girl. Bye.
Cindy, they bring the heat, never out of